You telling me you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
What's up, what it do? It's your girl KB and welcome to my channel. You already know what to do. Click the subscribe button y'all down below. I just want y'all to get into this look because the girl looks good tonight, okay? I look good. I ain't got no plans, nowhere to go, nothing like that, but your girl look good, okay? But yeah, natural hair and all, like, period. So if y'all want to see how I get this look, you should definitely keep on watching and make sure you are clicking that subscribe button for me because, baby, yeah. Keep on watching. So I'm just going right in and filling my eyebrows in with this NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Black Brown. So I'm just gonna fill in these brows real brief, you know, swipe these on. Like, I really don't do nothing fancy to my eyebrows. Like, I really just fill them in. So next I just went in with the Milani concealer in the shade Warm Tan, and I just, you know, cleaned up my brows with that. So next what I'm going to do is go in with this BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to blend out this concealer. I'm just going to blend it out up here. Just going to blend it all out. So I just used the same Milani concealer and I just put it on my lids and I just blended it out as well. Just like that. So everything looks all good. So I'm going in with this Profusions palette and I'm just going to put this, I don't know, like this orangey shade onto my lid. And I'm just going to pack this all on. I'm just gonna pack this shade all on. I guess I'm gonna go for like a springy, peachy vibe. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna do whatever. So y'all, I've been planning this trip to Houston. Like, I am so excited. Like, I cannot freaking wait. Like I go to Houston like at least once a year. So my best friend, she lives in Houston, you guys. So I just know it's definitely gonna be a vibe. You know, I'm gonna vlog the whole trip. Like, I am so excited. Like, I cannot wait. It's her 26th birthday. Like I miss my best friend so much. Like, I cannot wait. Like every time I talk to her, like I get emotional. Like, I really want to cry. Like, because I'm like, she's so far away. Like, I'm all the way here in Indiana and she's all the way in Houston, Texas. Like, so it's not like I can go like hop on the road and be like, girl, I'm about to come like pick you up. I can't do that. My cousin and my other best friend, we're all going to Houston and it's gonna be fun as fuck. Like, we cannot wait. We about to be lit. So just stay tuned for the vlog, y'all. Just stay tuned for the vlog. Okay, so what I'm about to do next is just take the same brush, y'all, and I'm just gonna kind of like, you know, blend it out just a little bit towards the edges. I don't want it to be like too harsh. What I'm about to do next, y'all, is going with this other shade. I don't know, it's like a peach, it's like a real deal peach. Like, it's really peachy. So I'm just gonna take this and go right above this shade and just blend it out. I'm not gonna do like too harsh up into like the corners of my eyes. I just want it to be like very like peachy. So that's all I'm gonna do for the eyeshadow. I just used 2 shades. I used this Profusion palette that I got from Walmart like a long time ago. I just used these 2 shades right here, just these 2. And so now I'm just gonna put on these eyelashes real quick. I'm not gonna do any eyeliner. I'm just gonna keep it just simple eyeshadow, just a peachy little vibe, you know. I'm gonna pop on these lashes real quick, these little fluffy little lashes, and then I'll be right back. So now I'm just going to take this turmeric sponge and I'm just going to clean off my face. I just wet it with some water. So I'm just going to wipe off any like oils that built up on my skin, because I do have oily skin. So I'm just going to wipe any oil. I'm going to be using this NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Oil. I will be using this Milani foundation, this 2-in-1 Conceal Perfect. This is in the shade Chestnut. So I'm just gonna, you know, blend this in, press this into the skin, y'all. And I'm not going to go underneath the eyes like usual. I'm just doing my normal foundation routine. I'm gonna switch it up one day. I'm gonna try something different one of these days. I was just thinking about it, so I'm gonna try something different and see how it comes out. So I'm using this damp beauty blender and blending out this concealer. And I'm just gonna blend it all out. So I've already used the Juvia's Place concealer under the eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with this Milani concealer again. And I'm just gonna, you know, put a little bit under the eye just to brighten it up a little bit. You know what I mean? So yeah. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. I'm just going to take this and press it into the skin, under my eyes, just a little bit on my forehead, on my nose, my mouth. And I'm just going to dust like any excess off with a little fluffy brush. If you know, then you know that I'm going in with this Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm just gonna go in and just, you know, just a little bit around the face. So I went in with the same palette and I took this orange shade and I just, you know, just put a little bit on my cheeks, you know, just a little bit of blush, you know, just to give a little, this is cute, y'all, it's cute, just like that. But what I am about to do is going with that same Profusions palette that I was using, and I'm going to take this little shimmery color, whatever, and I'm just going to pop it into the center, into the corner of my eye, just like that. Just give it a little highlight, just a little sparkle, a little razzle dazzle. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I still gotta give me a fan. Fit me out. I wasn't gonna do any highlight because I'm already glowing, but the highlight god said just a little bit, and I'm gonna listen to them. So, because they never tell me wrong. There, I'm not gonna go overboard. That's it. Okay, y'all.
Tell me how you like it. It's me and you now. I've been waiting. Think I'm gonna make a move now. Baby, tell me how you like it.
You already know what's going on with this brown lip, y'all. I ain't gonna explain nothing. So I'm about to use this Katy Perry lip gloss, y'all. This is in the shade Catalog. So I'm just gonna put this in the shitter, in the center of my lip. It's like a thick gloss. Like, y'all hear that? Like, that shit thick. So you guys, this is the final look. I just threw on this romper. It's like a long sleeve romper. It's really cute, y'all. I like love it. I haven't even worn it yet. Like, it still has the price tag on it. Like, I haven't even worn it. So another outfit wasted on a video. Like, well, not really wasted, but I'm not going nowhere. Like, but yeah. So if you like this look, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, whatever you want to do. I don't know, but yeah. But make sure you definitely are clicking that subscribe button for me. And yeah, it's your girl KB, y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.